Here, watch.
Ladies and gentlemen, for our first one, I need the audience to make it huge. Let's hear you out there. CPE America Equipment Zoom Lion 50-meter mounted on a Mac Granite. CPE America in Menor, Georgia, and Zoom Lion Heavy Industry Science and Technology would like to introduce the Zoom Lion 50X-RZ boom pump, offering a 50-meter 6-section boom and a 222-yard-hour pump kit, offering a maximum pressure on the concrete of 1,276 psi, mounted on a Mac Granite single steer and tri-drive rear axle configuration, making this unit terminable in almost every location in North America. With an unfolding height of 54 feet 3 inches, offering an open loop hydraulic system, Zoom Lion features boom intelligent dampening technology for self-control during starting, slowing, and stopping of the boom. This reduces the impact vibration of the boom, giving you a more stable operation. Active Zoom Control ABC outstanding innovations which decrease the vibration of the 50-meter boom and larger by more than 50%. Adaptive concrete material pumping technology. This saves fuel from 8 to 15%. Improves pumping control for poor concrete with segregation and large viscosity with the reduced blocking by more than 50%. Accurate pump control technology, APC, and industry first. Displacement sensor controls the accuracy of each stroke that can give you 99.46% more pumping efficiency. Ladies and gentlemen, the Zoom Lion 50X-6RZ boom pump.
Good job, Gary! Don't do that on the rocks. Don't do that on the rocks. See how you're pushing the rocks all over? Don't do that. Yeah. So here comes a new one. This is a Brendan's bone pump. Use a swing.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Swing America Inc.
Very, Corey.
Equipment S39SX. Let's hear you make some noise for Swing America. Swing America is proud to announce the S39SX. It is built in America and now producing the S39SX at our facilities in White Bear Lake, Minnesota. The S39SX is the longest swing boom on the 3-axle truck. It features SX outriggers, 25-25 H-Jack 6 pump kits, and 4-section roll-in full boom with 113 feet of vertical reach. A detachable boom with 2023-5 pump kit is also available, now with unfolding height, fast setup, easy cleanouts. It is a multi-purpose boom. From house foundations to bridge decks, it will be your most requested pump in your fleet. Ladies and gentlemen, Swing America, a huge round of applause. DY Concrete Pumps, make some noise out there for these guys! DY Concrete Pumps 38X-5ZR offers compact design with exceptional velocity for tackling residential and commercial projects designed for high productivity with operator-friendly controls and manual override.
Corey, stop digging in the dirt.
360-degree continuous rotating turret. The DY 38-meter is a must-have in any fleet. Manufactured at DY Concrete Pumps, a new 50,000 square foot production facility in Texas. This is a new 38-meter mounted on Freightliner 1114 ST. Proud proudly owned by CNC Concrete, Montrose, Colorado. More information on DY Concrete Pumps. Visit dyconcretepumps.com. DY Concrete Pumps, built to perform.
God bless Texas.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alliance Concrete Pumps Inc. Equipment today, JXR 41 meter on Mac Terra Pro. Custom built for Southwest Concrete Pumping right here in Denver, Colorado. This Alliance 41 meter is the strongest boom pump on 3 axles. 4-section boom is an extra articulation between sections 2 and 3 at 240 degrees. And come with a versatile 16-cell pump kit. Mounted on a rugged Mac Terra Pro, there's no job site too tough for this combo. Huge round of applause, Alliance Concrete Pumps.
Yeah, watch it. Give him the honking horn. Yeah.
And now,
Watch.
ladies and gentlemen, let's see, no, not just yet. Huge round of applause for this one. Baton Star Equipment 47Z.
Nice.
This beautiful 47Z Baton Star concrete pump is the quality standard for any concrete pump owner. It is loaded with our 16H pump kit featuring a tandem A4 125 Rexroth pumps, along with our proprietary Smart Star system that drives out high outputs, smooth, quiet pumping, and steady boom operations. Baton Star only uses European Strinex steel on 100% of the pumps, thus making Baton Star the quality pump of choice. Baton Star, bringing quality back. Huge round of applause.
Give him that, make him honk his horn. Good job, Corey. I know, yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you're very quiet with this one. Make some noise. Grapefruit, Metro. Bootmeister America. Bootmeister.
Here comes
BSF concrete pump. Precise engineering, superior performance. This Bootmeister 39 BSF concrete pump is mounted on a Mack Granite with an automatic transmission supplied by Crane Truck Centers. From increased maneuverability and ease of use to brand state-of-the-art operation control systems, Bootmeister 39Z truck-mounted boom pumps showcase innovative engineering with the 4-section Z-fold boom, robust pedestal design, high-performance pump kit. This 39Z offers the most challenging concrete mixes on the most difficult job sites. If you're looking for a lightweight, high-performance machine on just 3 axles, Bootmeister industry leading 39Z is the one for you. Give them a huge round of applause.
I'm in the zone like it's full blown. I'm killing it like a
Come on, honk.
I'm feeling it like oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our final truck.
Off his butter, he ain't never been a fighter. You can go and ask his mother. I'm a lover and a fighter. You say and a rider. Buy a girl a quick fix and get a man a nice shiner. You know y'all don't really want it, I can tell just by looking at you that you the type to run and go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at these trucks just one more time. I think we're going to be able to do that. That's the plan right now, Gary. Is that right?
So let me tell you the deal. I'm on so serious, I'm dirty, I'm no longer for real. I'm like a hop, skip, and a jump, a hop, grip on the pump. From leaving doing the trunk, somewhere prepared to jump. But y'all don't really know it.
Once again, let's take another look at this equipment. As these boys roll by, make some noise for them. There we go.
There's Wayne. CPE America. You lying.
Here they come one more time. Once again, some noise out there. Let's hear you, crowd.
Yeah. Lori, see that guy right there? He stole from us. That guy.
TY CNC Concrete. That's what we got on the next drop for tomorrow. Let's once again thank Brundage Bone Concrete Pumping and McClure Concrete Pumping.
Hold on.
Donating a pump for tomorrow.
Hold on.
Star, my boys.
Oh, there. And there's Chris coming.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, one final huge round of applause for everyone that participated in today's parade. I do want to point something out. They've been incredibly patient because it is noisier the higher up you go. We got some residents over here that checked out our parade. Give them a huge wave. Tell them thank you out there. Thank y'all so much for putting up with us. Bar is open for another 45 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I do want you to enjoy yourself. It only gets better tomorrow during the competition. I'll see you then.